What were you saying, buddy? What were you going to say, sweetheart? Hi, Sarah. You're eating your cake? And you're going to share some with me, right?
Hi, you. Good bite.
Oh, wow. That's a big bite for me?
Yeah.
Thank you. Wow. Mm.
I want that one.
Wow.
This one.
Uh-oh. Better stay over that plate. Oh. Who made you this cake?
Yeah.
Sarah?
Yeah.
You get that in you however you want.
I think I'll do that.
What?
I think I'll do that.
You took a good nap?
Yeah.
You think so?
I think so.
Hmm. I'm gonna take the rest of your cake. I'm gonna get it. I'm gonna steal it right out of your tummy.
No.
Oh yeah.
Oh no.
Mm-hmm. I get it. Oh,
No, mine. My day.
your cake.
Yeah.
What? No way. No way.
Ow.
Oh, you ate it up?
Yeah.
You chomped it?
Yeah.
I'm gonna have to steal it from the tummy.
I'm so excited.
What?
I'm so excited.
No, there it is. Ah! That's my cake. Nom, 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 nom.
My day.
Oh, you got it back. You got it back. Oh, you're eating your hand for some reason. I don't know why. Why are you eating your hand?
Because I eat my day and one more day.
Oh, so you ate your hand? Hey, talk to Sarah. I don't make cake. The cake is gone.
But I want that. Or is that best?
Oh, yeah. You say bye-bye?